Hi guys, welcome to SGM Creations and Tutorials. This is my project, this is my creation. This is a fashion accessories holder. This is made from recycled waste hanger from the baby's clothes. Look at this, this is the original image of the hanger, and this is now the transformation. Just simply fix it here with decorative tape crystallized. I have here a decorative tape. Look at this. It's just like a tape. Just cut out and fix it here, this side, and also this side. This one is another design of a crystallized, but this one is just like this. Just cut out and fix it here and remove the tape on the back side. So this is a very easy project on how to recycle waste hanger and transform into a unique but beautiful fashion accessories hanger. So I am going to hang my accessories. This is also a DIY fashion accessory fashion earrings made from recycled plastic bottles and decorated with crystallized. So guys, if you want to learn how to create different things, just subscribe to my channel so that you'll be updated and you will learn different projects from SGM Creations and Tutorial. Look at this. This is now the transformation of the waist hanger, and also this, look. This is from recycled cardboard, look. And just fold the cardboard and fix a stopper and a hook and decorate it with the crystal lace. So this is now the transformation of the waist hanger transformed into a fashion accessories holder. So guys, if you like this project, just give me a thumbs up and leave a comment and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel SGM Creations, Tutorials, Travels and Lifestyle. So please check my playlist on how I created this fashion accessories hanger. I have a video tutorial on how I created it, so just find out my playlist how to recycle plastic waste. Okay, so that is all for today guys, and maraming salamat. Give a thumbs up and see you again in my next vlog. Bye bye and have a nice day. So look at this guys, this is now the transformation of the plastic hanger, and now it is already transformed into unique beautiful fashion accessories holder. Ganda na siya, no? And this one is made from the plastic bottles also, the ketchup, and now transform into DIY fashion earrings. See you again. Ciao. Stay healthy and keep safe always. Bye bye.